And hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel, Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Thank you for joining me today. Today's broadcast is titled, What is the correct position for the TXV sensing bulb? The placement of the remote sensing bulb of the TXV onto the suction line is critical to proper TXV performance. The important points to follow are this: clean the suction line near the outlet of the evaporator. The entire length of the sensing bulb must be in contact with the cleaned portion of the suction line. The sensing bulb should be placed several inches upstream of the external equalizer connection. The sensing bulb should be attached at 12 o'clock on any suction line of 7/8 inch diameter or smaller. On lines larger than 7/8 inch diameter, the bulb should be placed at either 4 o'clock or 8 o'clock. The bulb should never be placed at 6 o'clock on that line. Always insulate the sensing bulb after installation. And lastly, a sensing bulb can be installed on a vertical suction line if necessary, but never place bulb downstream of a trap. Bulb placement before a trap upstream is recommended. And in the image that you're seeing, this is just to show you the positioning on that suction line, the positioning of your bulb on your suction line. So you're looking down at the bulb, and you're looking at either placing your bulb at 12 o'clock, which is here, 4 o'clock, which is here, or 8 o'clock. Okay? Those are the three positions. You never want to place it at 6 o'clock. On suction lines, just to remind you, on suction lines less than 7/8 inch diameter, position bulb at 12 o'clock. On suction lines greater than 7/8 inch diameter, position bulb at 4 o'clock or 8 o'clock. So this is just something that hopefully this will be helpful to you all out there in the HVAC or HVACR industry, out there in the field. Hopefully this is helpful to you. I'd like to thank all of the channel viewers, all of the channel members, and all of the website members. I thank you all for your support. I appreciate you. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I look forward to doing more informative videos for you all. Please take care and stay well.